Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Prakash from AceFoxLeo channel. Today I am going to talk about the latest M1 iPad Pro. In this video, I am going to share with you all, should you buy the new iPad Pro in 2021? If you want to know more, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to press the bell icon down below. So let's dive into the topic. Should you buy the M1 latest iPad Pro? So this is the question, and I'm going to share with you all my personal opinions with you and make you all decide whether you want to choose it or not. So let's dive into the topic. Is that this M1 iPad Pro is worth buying, and why you should buy this M1 iPad Pro in 2021, and what is the benefit of this? First, is that worth buying the latest M1 iPad Pro? I give you the answer. Yes. And why you should buy this iPad Pro in 2021? For who this iPad Pro was made for, and what kind of work you can be done with this iPad Pro. This iPad Pro is more concentrate based on the work profession, which is like content creators. If you are do such as Lightroom, if you are photo editor, if you are designer, if you are engineer, you can take advanced with the LiDAR scanner, which include in the latest M1 iPad Pro. I personally should tell this, the latest iPad Pro, which is come with the powerful M1 chip that is perfect and so speed among the other chipset around the market. This iPad Pro also come with the XDR display, which is more easy to color grade if you are content creator, and you can carry this device all day long without any worries. The graphics are top notch, 8 cores of CPU, 8 cores of GPU, and 16 core neural engine, which is compactly packed and well designed. This iPad Pro also now support 5G for the selected countries out there. This iPad also have 5 studio quality microphone and 4 speaker, which is support Dolby Atmos, and you can feel theatrical moments. Apple already success with their latest M1 chip. They include the M1 chip in their last year product announcement, which is MacBook Air and Mac Mini, and that is very powerful and good response from users. And now Apple has stepped toward with iPad Pro and iMac. This is the future, and now we have 4 type of product which runs M1 chip in Apple: MacBook Air, iPad Pro, iMac, Mac Mini. So in future we can await more product that come from M1 chipset. Okay, now this iPad Pro also come up with ultra wide camera and wide camera. Ultra wide camera at 12 megapixel and wide camera at 10 megapixel with 2 times optical zoom out and 5 times digital zoom. For video, now it support 4K at 24 fps, 25 fps, 30 fps and 60 fps on wide camera, follow up with 1080p HD and 720p HD. They now include cinematic video stabilization at 4K, 1080p and 720p at stereo recording. Now Apple also introduced center stage on video call. This is much better for iPad Pro. Power battery for 11-inch iPad Pro is 28.65 watt. For 12.9-inch is 40.88 watt. Apple also claim it will up to 10 hours web surfing on Wi-Fi or watching videos. This iPad Pro also costs at $799 for 11-inch and $1099 for 12.9-inch. Okay guys, until this the end of the video now. I hope you like the video. Whatever I told in this video is based on Apple's own website, and I hope you enjoy my video. Please hit the like button and share to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep me encouraged to make more videos for you guys. Until then, see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye bye.